In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clear your browsing data in Microsoft Copilot. If you want to remove saved browsing information for privacy, free up a bit of stored data, or simply reset what Copilot has been keeping during your browsing activity, this process is very straightforward. I'll walk you through it carefully so you can follow along without missing anything. To begin, open Microsoft Copilot. Once you're on the main screen, look toward the bottom left corner and click on your profile icon. This is where you'll find account-related options and access to your settings. After the profile menu opens, click on Settings. This will take you into the area where Copilot lets you manage how the app works, including privacy and browsing-related controls. Once you're in Settings, find and click Browsing Settings. This section is specifically for options connected to your browsing activity and how that information is handled. Next, click on Web Data and Security. This is the section where Copilot gives you control over the browsing data connected to your usage. Here you should see the Clear Browsing Data option. Go ahead and click that. At this point, Copilot will show you the available choices for what you want to remove. Before clearing anything, take a moment to review the options on screen. You'll be able to click the drop-down menu to adjust the time range. This is useful because it lets you decide whether you want to clear only recent data or remove information from a longer period. You'll also have the option to check or uncheck the types of data that will be deleted. This is important because it gives you more control over exactly what gets removed. For example, if you only want to clear certain browsing records and keep other saved information, this is where you make those selections. Once you've chosen the time range and selected the data you want to delete, click Clear Now. Copilot will then begin removing the selected browsing data, and that's all there is to it. Clearing your browsing data in Microsoft Copilot is a quick way to manage your privacy and keep your browsing information under control. If you're following these steps while watching, just take your time in each menu so you can confirm you're clearing exactly what you want. After that, you're done.